Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to find a family member or friend using Life360 so you can see their location in real time. So let's get started. First of all, open the Life360 application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then make sure you are signed in and part of a circle with the person you want to locate. Step 2 is to go to the circle. Tap the circle tab. As you can see here, you will see the circle, or join another circle, or you can create another circle. Make sure you are in that circle. Then you will see a map with all the members of your circle and their current location. In the map you will see all of your family members in their respective location. Select the person. If you see the person, then tap on the person icon on the map or select their name from the list. This opens their detailed location including current address and travel history if enabled. Use additional features. You can also set notification for that person on the places so you are alerted when they arrive at or leave specific location. You can track multiple people in your circle this way, and that's it. You have successfully found someone on Life360. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick Life360 tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.